If you've ever opened an AI tool, stared at the screen, and thought, I don't even know where to start, then this video is for you. Hey friend, people throw around the word AI like it's one thing. It's not. Most of what you're hearing about are AI chatbots, sometimes called AI assistants. And that word assistant matters because these tools are meant to help you get things done. Think of them as smart tools you can talk to, and they talk back in human language, instead of giving you a long list of links you have to sift through on your own. Now, they all look similar at first, but they're built for different jobs. Today, I'm going to walk you through the big five. The 5 AI chat assistants you hear about the most. This isn't to overwhelm you, it's to break things down so you finally understand what's what. First up is ChatGPT, the OG of AI assistants, and my personal go-to most of the time. This is where most people start, and honestly, for good reason. ChatGPT is really good at writing, explaining things, brainstorming, and having conversations that feel natural. Think of it like a very patient tutor, or a friend sitting across the table from you talking things through. One thing to know though, the free version doesn't always know what happened yesterday. So it's great for thinking and creating, just not always for breaking news. I personally upgraded to the Pro version. It's a $20 monthly investment because I use it daily as my brainstorming buddy and strategist. Next is Google Gemini. This is Google's AI assistant. If you already use Google, Docs, Gmail, Search, this one is going to feel very familiar. Think of Gemini like Google Search, but smarter. It doesn't just give you a list of links. It actually reads the information and gives you a more humanized answer. Then there's Perplexity AI. Perplexity is more like a research assistant. It looks things up in real time and shows you exactly where the information came from. Think of it like a librarian with a full card catalog of sources ready to go. If accuracy really matters, this one shines. Next is Microsoft CoPilot. CoPilot lives inside Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, Windows. If you already use Microsoft products, this one fits right into your workflow. A lot of times, it's already waiting on your screen, especially when you open a Word document, ready to assist you. And finally, there's Claude. I've been using the free version of this one a little more often lately. Claude is really good at long conversations, analyzing documents, thinking things through step by step. It's more of a deep thinking partner. Now, like most free versions, there are limits. Once you hit the conversation cap, you'll usually have to wait a few hours before picking back up, but it's still a very solid tool. Here's the part no one really tells you. There is no best AI chatbot or assistant. They're like teachers. You might start having a favorite, like my teacher Mrs. Smith back in kindergarten. They can all help you, but you're naturally going to connect with some better than others. Now that you know what these tools are and how to approach them, the next question is always the same. Okay, but what do I actually say to them? In the next upcoming video, I'll show you one simple way to talk to any of these tools, using a real prompt I wrote specifically for people who don't speak tech. That's when this starts getting easier, and maybe even a little fun. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.